Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the Petra. Number 1. Petra is an ancient city in Jordan. Number 2. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Number 3. It is known for its breathtaking rock-cut architecture. Number 4. The city was established around 312 BCE. Number 5. Petra was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. Number 6. It has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985. Number 7. The city's decline began in the 7th century. Number 8. The city was carved out of red sandstone. Number 9. Petra is often referred to as the Rose City due to the color of the stone. Number 10. Petra is a popular tourist destination. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.